How to fix Chase Bank login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Chase Bank login problem. So to do that, first of all, open up the Chase Bank app on your mobile device and simply try entering your username and password, and make sure you check your username and password before entering. Now, in some cases, if you enter your username or your password incorrectly, you will have a login problem and you will not be able to log into your account. So if you're not sure what your password is and you feel like your password is incorrect, you can simply reset it by tapping the option forgot password/username. After that, choose if you want to reset your username or your password, and once you've done that, try using the same credentials that you've just reset and try logging in. Now, the second reason may be that your account is actually locked. So for security, we've locked your account due to multiple unsuccessful sign-in attempts. So this means that since you've tried to sign in multiple times using incorrect credentials, sometimes Chase Bank will lock your account, so you will not be able to log in. This may be one of the reasons of your problem. Now, the third one may be that you are actually offline, as Chase Bank application is an app that requires a stable internet connection to work. Sometimes if you do not have a stable internet connection or data connection, you will not be able to access the app, causing your login problem. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now also make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply go to your Play Store or App Store and update the app to the latest version. And if you're on an Android device, you can basically try to clear the cache memory of your Chase app. And once you try logging into your account, in most of the cases the problem will be solved. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.